Yeah. Count how many comes through, Dan. How many so far? One? Uh-oh, I told her 20 bucks if she finished in the top.
Is that true?
Is that Sarah? How many, Dan? Keep going. Nice job, Pumpkin.
24th place.
Game. Computer directed and nothing else. Just special effects. Go see it. But if you like a movie with like a story, forget it. I think the doors are.
Who put that condom?
Camera's running.
I tell you, speaking of doors,
Yeah.
That's like little beauty.
put in a call to the manufacturer.
I can light
At
candles.
least we have a manufacturer of this size.
Mom,
Okay,
it's
so that's a
dripping.
step in the right direction. He says that there's so much
Mom,
snow and frozen,
turn off
how's
the
he gonna
lights.
tell what's going on with
Happy
the
birthday.
leak?
It's dripping.
Yeah.
Turn off the
A
light.
1 and
No, leave it on.
No, turn it off. It's his birthday. Okay, I won. I do. I won. I do. I won.
Lava, lucky
Give me a
lava.
break. Give me a break. Break me up, please. Give me a break.
Happy birthday to you.
I live in a zoo.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Dan. Happy birthday to you.
Dan lives in a zoo.
Come on, Dan.
How old are you?
Blow out your candles, Dan.
How old, Dan?
Don't
Come on.
spill your drink.
Come on, Dan.
I am 100. Hey, she blew it out. Light it back up.
Come on.
Don't be rude. I hope these aren't trick candles. They are still. Oh, Nick Dan has 9 girlfriends. Dan.
Dan has 9 girlfriends.
Okay. Yeah. See this? I lit it with this. No,
freaking. Okay, we ready?
Is everybody ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy living on you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. And you look like one too.
Please don't do what they do in kindergarten for me.
How
Shut up!
are you?
No, what's your boyfriend's first name? What's your boyfriend's first name?
She doesn't have one. She only has a girlfriend.
Okay, well, Matt, now.
Did you make a wish?
Yeah.
No, I don't feel like it now.
Wishing for her brothers to go away.
No, she has to make a wish.
Shoot.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Happy birthday to you.
Now.
You live in a You smell like a monkey and you look like one too.
Woo! That's nice. Thank
Hey,
you.
look. It's only
Ugly
1
finder.
o'clock in the
Ugly
morning.
finder.
Ah!
But it's not Christmas Day. It's Christmas
It's like
There's nothing else.
no, it's not. It's Christmas Day, so it's 1:30.
Oh, yeah, it is Christmas Day.
It's 1:30. Can I open?
Can I
one?
open this one, Mom? Can I get it?
Go ahead. Open
Yes. Okay.
it. Hey, we need to turn this to Sarah.
Get out of the way.
You need to turn it to me.
We don't
Turn
need
it
to
to me.
turn it to crap.
Can you see me?
Okay.
Well, I gotta save this box. The box is nice.
I'm opening one now.
Ooh, paper. Xerox.
What is it, Sarah?
What is it? Guess what it is?
Oh, you taped it.
Guess what it is?
I think I already know.
What?
I think it's a sunflower wax.
Huh? I don't know. Let's see.
I don't know. Let's find out.
I was right.
My turn.
Merry Christmas, Sarah.
Watch out, Matt.
As I know.
Open it up over
That's
there.
what you wanted?
Haha, you left the price tag on.
Okay. Matt's opening his bat. Matt, you open.
Look at that.
What's it say on there, Matt?
For Doyle.
With Doyle. Oh, the Jew. Julio's candy. It's not candy.
Bubble gum.
It's gum, so you have something
My
to chew.
turn.
So you've got something to eat down there. Oh, okay. Danny's opening now. Careful. Careful.
Here, Mom, I'll put all my garbage in this box.
Hey, memory card.
Oh, the Jew.
Oh, what are those?
Cool.
What are memory cards?
Gummy fit.
Where'd you get all those? Baseball fields, possibly?
I'm gonna. And what else, Dan?
What else?
Super Game Boy.
Okay.
Here, Mom, here's a Xerox box.
Now we each got a memory card, Matt.
What, did you look in it? No.
Oh, I forgot mom's.
Go ahead.
Hey, look, it's got little handles on the side, Mom.
Yeah? Here, Maddie, hand me that paper down on the
I never
floor.
wrapped yours either.
Here's your Santa hat, Dad.
Set this camera better.
I know. Then my big trunk. Who's gonna open? There's now.
Mommy.
Huh?
No, Daddy is. Daddy is.
Daddy hasn't.
Daddy's.
Dad.
Daddy's gonna open his for me.
Here, Sarah, watch out. Matt's trying to get that in a better spot.
Sarah, what are you doing?
I want Daddy to open the one right now.
So calm down.
Daddy's Can I open this, Sarah? Go ahead. Wait a second.
Wait, Matt. Wait for Matt.
Hey, it's one thing I made and something inside.
Can I get it open? I don't want to
Whoa.
break it.
Whoa.
Oh, wait, wait.
Hey,
What's that? Here, Dad, open this one for me. You know what it is.
What?
Hey,
Oh,
good one?
Thank
It's the
you,
newest
dear.
one.
You didn't
What
look.
is it? What 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 is it, Mommy?
Oh, I didn't see this!
What is it?
Thank
You
you!
better look some more.
What is it?
Oh, I gotta look some more.
What is it, Mom?
It's a VCR.
This? What?
Thank you, Pumpkin.
You're
What you got?
Tape.
Okay, my turn. My turn.
Wait a minute, I didn't get this one.
R.E.M. John.
Watch out, sweetie.
Don't even
I can't get this out.
Did you find the other one?
Find other one what? What?
There's another CD in there.
I don't see it.
I guess I stole it.
Can I open this one?
Can I get it, Sarah?
I'm gonna open it.
Can I have your old VCR?
No, not reaching.
What? Why not?
Ah, thank you, dear.
I'm opening.
Why not?
I'm opening.
Sarah's gonna get it.
Who wrecked this, Mom?
What?
You?
Sarah's going to get it.
What the heck? What is it?
Sarah's gonna get that one.
Let me see. Sarah, let me
Because
see.
you can watch movies
Sarah,
in your
let me
room on the
see.
rabbit. She can't.
What is it?
Excuse me?
Cool, it's a little electric game. Awesome. This is cool. I'm opening. Awesome. What game is this? Mother?
Thank you.
A lot of blood.
Awesome. This is cool.
Oh, Sarah, you did this?
Yeah, look inside it.
Oh, what's inside it?
Earrings and trouble dolls.
Where'd you get the trouble dolls?
What is it, Matt?
Huh?
I don't know. It's a Colleen's card.
Get the earrings. Another.
Cool.
Oh, those are pretty.
I want to know what the filings card
Oh, aren't
for.
these pretty?
Ma, what should I do with the Colleen's card?
My earrings and trouble dolls.
Ah, I need to.
Ma.
What do you think?
Who
dear?
taped this
I
on?
don't know. Give it to you?
Hold on. Go shopping with?
Okay.
Tape this up. Mom, thanks for keeping this up a little too much.
You're welcome, Dan.
Oh, this is cool.
Okay.
I'm not ready to
Yeah, well, yeah, I do. Ow, I do need to hang on to the card, honey. But I couldn't think of any other way to.
wonder what it is.
You made this, Sarah?
Just send it in art class.
Huh?
What you got there, Dan?
Can we just open them?
I like seeing everybody open.
Can I open another one?
What boy?
Wait till Matt's done there.
What?
How's that, Danny? Is that good? What's Matt got?
It's $15.
Yeah, that's from Sarah and Dan.
What's this? I thought you didn't get me anything.
Okay, I'm opening them. Here, Dad, here's another one from
Oh, don't forget the stuff in the stocking.
Rose. Here, what is it? Is that for me? No. What is it? What is it?
It's a joke.
What is it? What is it? Where's my stocking?
Who's this from?
I gotta remember this.
Sarah, who's this from? Oh,
From
JCPenney
Rose. My muffin. Hey, kids. What is it?
It's a credit card.
Balance
In
ball.
other words, I want him to go shopping
Sure, it's a balance.
on me.
Sure. Cool.
Oh, do you like that, Danny?
Silly putty.
Oh, I got that too. Danny got some of that stuck in his bed one year.
we remember.
There's some stuck in the couch over here, too.
Oh, a jewelry.
Silly buddy.
What's up, man?
I'm gonna open Danny's present. I'm gonna open Danny's present.
Okay, what's Matt got? Wait a minute.
I'm opening. Matt's opening.
Drugs.
Doesn't look like 11 pounds of pot.
Is it nice?
Yeah, this is nice. I need it.
Thank you, Danny. Welcome. But your Danny doesn't even know what it is.
This is it.
Oh, pretty. A candle.
it, Ma.
Game bag. Oh, cool.
No, I
My Game
don't
Boy.
like syrup.
You don't?
No.
I like the smell.
Danny, I'm opening yours. Is that okay?
You really
What'd
What
you
are
get me?
these, Mom?
A dartboard? A
What
little
are
dartboard
these?
for my truck?
What are these?
Oh, those are sachet to put in
Oh.
your drawers.
Oh,
I can put this right on the windshield of my truck and I can...
I'm sorry, man.
Thanks, Dan.
What was it? Let's find out what this is. You like that, Danny?
That's for your Game Boy. Okay? Is that good?
I can put the games in here.
There you go.
Mom, this is what I saw in the store. What is it?
Dancing cow.
It's a dancing cow.
How does it dance?
I don't know, honey. I think it takes batteries. We'll look for the batteries.
Dad,
later,
don't.
okay?
I'm opening. Oh, go like this.
Now.
Yeah.
Inflatable back support cushion. Where the hell did you get this? You're Bradley's. Okay.
Hey, whoa, this is heavy. A digital clock. Yes.
Clock radio there.
Huh?
Joe Montana.
It's clock radio.
Uh-huh.
Cool.
You like that, Danny?
Try it
It's
on,
an
Dan.
Indiglow.
Oh, did you see the other one? Magic Johnson? Try him on.
I want to.
Oh, a VHS rewinder. Boy, we got all sorts of neat stuff here.
Happy holidays.
I'm opening this.
Stop! I tried! What do I get for the man who has everything?
VHS rewinder.
Thank you, an image captor.
Huh?
Sarah?
Mom picked it out. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Where is your present today?
Some lady told me her teenage son sit and play with that thing for hours at a time. I don't know. I
Oh.
didn't ask if it
Party?
was special.
Thank you, Mom.
What?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You like that?
Yes.
Huh? You're entitled to a facial.
Thank you, Mom.
What is it?
So I don't wreck my seat.
I just gotta find out what this is.
So what do you think, Dan? Joe Montana? I like it.
Ooh, Danny. You got enough socks there?
You like Joe Montana, Dan?
Cool.
Look at this. Dan's got a box of socks and he didn't look through and find out what else is in it, did he? No.
What does this do, Mom?
Huh? Oh, you just watch it. Look at that. He opens it up. Oh,
Told
socks.
me.
You know, it's just.
Hold it.
Yeah, I fooled you all right.
Oh, cool. That's cool.
You like that, sir? I
And
thought that was kind of nifty.
okay, I gotta find out. What?
You like that?
Matt, did you wrap up Danny and Sarah's present?
No?
That's all right.
Where are they?
They're in my room.
Just hold on.
Thank you.
Ooh, Mom. Mine.
What is it?
Mine.
Oh, handheld.
John Madden, 95. Cool.
Matt.
I'm gonna be playing this all night. Open now. Why can't it be shut?
So they stay shut.
Where?
No, that's.
Didn't that have a big one? Yeah, that's it. What is it?
What's this?
Oh, you're blanket.
I want to see John Madden 95. Cool.
Socks.
And underwear.
Thank you, Mom. I gotta hide this. Yeah, but I gotta
Oh,
hide
you
what's
do
under
not.
it.
Stop.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Dan, you can't do this. What? I hate to break the seal, but I don't like these.
Danny will take them.
I'm sorry. I thought you all liked it.
So you want to try this on?
Woohoo! How much is this for? it?
$1 million.
Oh, you got a credit card.
Got $100.
Woo! What is it? What is it?
What?
For shopping.
Put it right
Yes!
Mom, what about the money
Thank
I
you,
have?
Mommy, for this. Mommy, thank you. Thank
Well, you
you.
can shop wherever you want.
Full of you with the socks, Mom.
Oh, this isn't the one who sends a message.
Good?
What? This isn't the one that I want. Yes, it is. It's not the same one. What do you mean sends a message? There's the kind of sends a message to another diary. But this isn't the one. Oh!
The numbers are cold.
Don't matter.
How about this? Does it fit?
Yeah, probably.
Same size.
I'm gonna go play.
Okay. Team 2.
Oh, got my magic ball. Do you like that? Yeah. Whoa!
Sarah, you got one to go.
Huh?
Matt, why don't you go get their presents?
Do I have one to go?
That's it. So you don't break it.
Ooh, sidewalk chalk.
Sorry.
The green one in now?
So you too old to do sidewalk chalk? Is that what you're telling me?
A little bit.
John.
What is it?
What is it?
Yeah,
Thanks,
for your
Matt.
computer, Dad.
You needed that.